This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red 37BA is a Class A RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2020 Tiffin Allegro Red 37BA is built on a Freightliner Rear Engine Diesel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.